गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે બે એક્ઝામ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરેલા હતા. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 6 that is example number 11 of your book. Sri Jasu Patel furnished the following particular of his income earned during the previous year relevant to assessment year 2020-21. First, professional fee received in India. That means India word આવે એટલે 3 માં taxable થશે. Income earned in India but received in Rome. Where income earned India? Rome માં receive થાય, India માં earn થાય. earn India માં India word આવે એટલે 3 માં taxable. Income from agricultural in Nepal not received in India. That means received in Nepal only. Condition number 4, income on outside India, received outside India, ordinary, non-ordinary ma taxable, ordinary ma taxable, non-ordinary, non-resident ma tax free. Income from business in UK, control from India. Control from India. Condition number 3, income from business on outside India, received outside India, control of business from India, ordinary, non-ordinary ma taxable, non-resident ma tax free. Find out gross income of Jasu Patel for assessment year 2021 under the following circumstances. Okay. Gross income of Jasu Patel assessment year 2020-21, previous year 2019-20. First, professional fee received in India. Professional fee received in India. Condition number 1, income on outside India, received in India, ordinary ma, non-ordinary અને non-resident 3 માં taxable 5,11,000. In all the 3 this is taxable. Next example, next 2, income on in India but received in Rome. Income on in India but received in Rome. Income on in India, India word આવે 3 માં taxable 8,12,000. Next, third, income from agricultural in Nepal not received in India. Income from agricultural in Nepal not received in India. Income from other source on outside India, received outside India. Condition number 4, ordinary ma taxable થશે 3,14,000, non ordinary અને non resident માં tax free થશે. Fourth, income from business in UK control from India. Income from business in UK control from India. Condition number 3, income from business earned outside India, received outside India, control of business from India, ordinary non ordinary માં taxable થશે, non resident માં tax free થશે. 2,16,000. 5,11,000, 8,12,000, 3,14,000, 2,16,000, 18,53,000. Non ordinary માટે 5,11,000, 8,12,000, 2,16,000, that is 15,39,000. Next, non resident માટે 5,11,000, 8,12,000, that is 13,23,000. This is gross total income. Gross total income in all these three circumstances, that is ordinary 18,53,000, non-ordinary 15,39,000, non-resident 13,23,000. Here, this is your answer. Next, example number 7, that is example number B, 13B. Following are the income of Mr. Vikram Bhai during the previous year 1920. Salary taxable 2,40,000. Interest on bank deposit, out of which 15,000 is received from foreign bank. Out of which 15,000 is received from foreign bank. Next, profit from business in New York. Business is controlled from India. That is condition number 3. Pension from former employer in India received in New York. Pension Indian employer પાસેથી મળે છે, 3 માં taxable. Agricultural income earned in New York. New York out of India. Condition number 4. Income earned outside India, received outside India. Ordinary માં taxable, બાકી બેમાં tax free. Profit from a business at Bombay control from New York. 50% of profit is received in New York. Business is located in India, so India માં located છે. Whether it is received in India or received outside India, 3 માં taxable થશે. એટલે 100% profit 3 માં taxable થશે. Find out total gross income for the assessment year 2021 if he is ordinarily resident, if he is resident but not ordinarily resident, if he is non-resident. We have to find out total gross income of Mr. Vikram Bhai. Assessment year 2020-21, previous year 2019-20. First, Salary taxable. In all the three cases taxable. 2,40,000, 2,40,000, 2,40,000. Second, interest on bank deposit, out of which 15,000 is received from foreign bank. Interest from bank deposit received from foreign bank. Received from foreign bank. That is 15,000, 15,000, 15,000. B, interest from bank deposit received from Indian bank. That is total there are 20, remaining is 5,000. That is also taxable in all the three cases. Third, profit from a business in New York. Business is controlled from India. Profit from New York business controlled from India. That is 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs non-ordinary ma, sorry, non-resident ma tax free. Fourth one, pension from former employer in India received in New York. Pension from former Indian employer received in New York. पेन्शन क्यांथी मळे छे? इंडियामांथी मळे छे. इंडियामांथी इनकम अर्न थाय छे, 3 માં ટેક્સેબલ. That is 2,50,000. So 3,75,000. Next, fifth one, agriculture income earned in New York. Agri income earned in New York, 2,50,000. Ordinary માં taxable, બાકી બે માં tax free. Next, sixth, profit from a business at Bombay, control from New York, 50% of profit is received in New York. Profit from business in Bombay. Half of the profit is received in India, half of the profit is received in New York, but total profit is earned in India. India word આવે એટલે 3 માં taxable, 2,80,000. Now total of all these three cases, 2,40,000, 15,000, 5,000, 2 lakhs 3,75,000, 2,50,000, 2,80,000. That is 13,65,000. Second, non-ordinary 2,40,000, 15,000, 5,000, 2 lakhs, 3,75,000, 2,80,000. That is 11,15,000. Last, non-resident 2,40,000, 15,000, 5,000, 3,75,000, 2,80,000. That is 9,15,000. This is total gross income. This is your answer. Here our first unit, that is introduction and residential status, is completed. In next session we will start our next unit, that is income from salary. Thank you.